So, I've cut all that flooring up, which was at the back. Fire's going well. Should get all that burnt this afternoon. All the flooring I've taken up here. Got to take that bit of timber out. But look what I found underneath here. I didn't even know this was here. It must have been done 20 years ago and forgot all about it. Are you ready? Are you ready for this? This shocked me when I lifted this up. It's not a body. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Look at that. I can't even remember doing anything like that. But this timber is alright. These 3x2s, and then there's quite a bit of a drop down there, so a bit of put. A lot of rubble and everything down there. Unbelievable, I can't even remember doing that. Stood on one so far. Do GoPros melt? Huh? I hope not, because I'm making a little time lapse for this fire. Look at this. I'll just leave it there for a couple of minutes. I'm having a cup of tea, and so far this morning everything is going alright. I've cleared all the timber from here. Made, see here, a little bit of shuttering for down the sides of my shed, which I will dig in later. I've got to go and get a wheelbarrow from my mate round the corner. And I'm gonna do the base with red bricks. So I've plenty of red bricks lying about. So hopefully today I'll be able to get the shuttering in for the concrete, and I'll do that tomorrow. Because what I really want to do is get, look at that fire, isn't it nice? Get all this timber out of the rain, get all this timber in my garage and sort it out into types. And then I've got a rough idea of what I've got, and then I'll just get a few pieces out now and then and take the nails out and square it up and cut the bad bits out. It's all good stuff. Right, so that's what I've done today. I will concrete that tomorrow, and then when the concrete's gone off, there'll be 2 layers of red brick, and then I will concrete the base. All this, some of it can go back into there, but it'll be straightened out, and then I will put some 20mm chippings over the top, quarry bottoms, sorry, put some quarry bottoms over the top. I'm going to build a double wall here and along there. I'm going to put the fence up. You'll see it when it's done. Whew, tired. I've only got that little bit of wood left to burn just down here. I'll get that done and then I'm going in. Not much now. Now then, I'm having a well-deserved cup of coffee. I'm sick of tea, I'm having coffee. I have burnt most of the wood. Got about, I don't know, another hour burning. I've almost finished the footings for my shed. My daughter's watching me. What? Come here. She's watching me talk at this camera. So I've had a very productive day. So here's all the timber that's left. Make the framework and the cladding. I've got to de-nail most of this, but I'll do that as I pick each. Oh, I can't get past. I will de-nail the timber as I use it. And then I've got all this in here as well. Whew. And this is what I've cut out of the shed. I'll show you this. I'm going to put this in my new miniature man cave. My daughter did this when she was a little girl. Dog by Lauren. So I'm going to put that in my new miniature man cave on the wall. Dog by Lauren. Anyway, enough of that. Hopefully tomorrow I will put the concrete in for the footings and maybe start selecting some timber to make the frame. But it could be raining. If it's raining, I won't be doing anything.